Alright, so I just wanted to share this little video of my bird just really chilling outside of his cage, and he's enjoying a bath of sun. And yeah, it's gonna be a really short video, but I think it is important for your bird to live out of his cage. That's why I recommend having a laughing dove, because they are super easy to take care of. They don't take a lot of space, and they are easy to catch when they are out of their cage. Really easy to train. Look at that beautiful eye. Wow. Okay, I'm just mesmerized by the beauty of the eye right here. Let me try to glow some. Oh yeah, now you see all the details. Wow. Look at that. It's not a really colorful bird, but like his eyes make it so much nice. You have like his color right here and his little pink feet. Hello. But yeah, come here, my boy. It's actually a girl, but you know. Oops, sorry. So to pick them up, you just, here we go. As easy as a pie. And it can fly really well. And this is his little kind of outside of his cage nest, so he have some water if he wants. Ooh, some cold water. And he have his little nesting with some seeds. It's gonna come next. Yeah. Oh, what are you doing? But yeah, I like to come on, get the seeds. I like that we build that for him. You know, just a chilling spot where he can really just hang out of the cage and explore. Yep, he's feeding on the seeds. Come on, my dude. Yes, so cute. Oh, he's happy. And you can also come here. You can also make him walk on the ground. Look how much of a pigeon he looks. Huh. Hey. And basically make him explore a bit more. See how entertaining he is now? Because he's out of the cage. If you spend all his life, oh, you pooped there. If you let him spend time outside of his cage, he's gonna be much more happy, I think. I would be, at least. So he's fast on his feet. It's not a bird that likes to fly a lot. It's a ground bird, and you can see that by the way he moves on the ground. Ooh. But again, he can fly. Woo! He don't like to be on. He's kind of afraid. Oh, don't. Oh. There we go. Nice and easy, Abel. But yeah, he don't likes to be spooked on the ground. He prefer to be like on a high ground, I guess, so he can see everything that is going on. But yeah, this video was to show kind of the importance of having your bird out of his cage, making him explore, creating some nice spot outside of the cage for him to be able to entertain himself. Yeah. So yeah, that's why I built that little thing for him. My girlfriend helped me too. Cause yeah, I take a lot of time for the fishes, but not gonna lie, my girlfriend also takes a lot of time for the birds, so I don't want to take all the credit, really. But yeah, so that's basically the entire video. Thanks for watching, and yes, you're a pretty bird. You know that? Yes, you're a pretty bird. Pretty bird. Just watching by the window. Come here. Come here, friend. Come here. Oh, you don't want to. You're not cooperating. Come here. There we go. As simple as that. Doing a bit of exercise. Oh, look at him, so gorgeous. He's so soft. It's really fun to pet. And as you can see, he has full control of the situation. I'm allowing him to be free at any point. If he feel like he's stressed or something, he can go away. He have perfect wings, yeah. A perfect tail as well. Just want to show your beautiful tail and wings. Flop, 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 flop. All right. Time to go away. Bye bye. Woo! Jumping everywhere. You're a ninja.